Hey guys, this video is going to be on a coffee scoop that I made for my mom for Christmas. I know it's been a little bit since then, but I've got a bunch of footage backed up that I'm just now getting through to edit. Hopefully we'll have a few more videos rolling out soon. This coffee scoop though, the handle is going to be made from walnut, and I'm actually going to inlay some of my son's baby clothing into it in a Celtic Knot pattern, which is really cool. It's kind of meant to go along and pair with the coffee grinder that I made her as a housewarming gift not too long ago. I'll go ahead and link to that video right here. That is one of my favorite projects. It came out really beautiful. It's walnut and cherry, so it's definitely worth a watch. But let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll show you guys how I made this coffee scoop. I'm going to start on the bandsaw cutting out slots to insert my baby clothing into. Once I've got one slot cut out, I'll cut out some pieces of baby clothing, feed that into the slot, and then just coat it really thickly with thin CA glue so that the fabric will absorb it, and then when I hit it with the activator, it'll harden. Once it's hardened, it's actually super satisfying to break off. You can just kind of bend it back and forth and it'll just like snap off. Then we're just gonna flip our piece over and cut it going the other way. And we're gonna repeat that process a few times until we've got slots cut out on every side. And here you can see how that blank looks before we throw it on the lathe. Then we're just going to turn it down to a round shape. You can see here the fabric didn't get all the way down to the middle. If you guys want to see how I'm going to fix that, I have another project that I'm going to do this on that solves this problem, so make sure you subscribe to see the next video. On this one though, I had enough space, so I just turned it down and kept going until I got all the way through to just fabric. And then I started working on my shape. And now we're going to drill out the center for the coffee scoop attachment. Then we're going to sand everything down, and once I've got everything sanded, I'm going to add a little bit of Mylan sand and sealer to just make sure we've got everything sealed up. Then we're going to use some Mylands friction polish. I like to just kind of coat this on first, and then I turn the lathe on and really get it polished up so it's nice and shiny. And then we're just going to cut off our handle. Hey guys, I hope you like watching putting that together. If you're liking this video, think about subscribing and definitely give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I try and read and go through all of the comments and respond back. I appreciate all of your guys' support. But let's go ahead and show you what it looks like all done.